Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this pop out of frame photo edit in Canva. You don't actually need to type woman with shirt, but it was for another video. I'm just going to select this person and I am going to select edit image and I'm going to select remove background. You do need the pro feature for this, so keep that in mind. Then I'm going to select elements and I'm going to type in a frame. And I'm going to use maybe the star shaped one. Copy and paste it and place this one inside of the frame. Then you're going to lock it in place. And you're going to add this in front, but you're going to kind of like cut it. You're going to like crop it and like kind of position it where it is. I'm just going to adjust the opacity because I cannot see anything. I think this one's like a little bit bigger. I'm just trying to like move it as exact as it is. Don't think that's even a word, to be honest. Oh my gosh, this is hard. I'm going to choose another shape. Sorry. Hold on, let me just choose another shape for this. I think I'm just going to use the triangle one. Or I'll use the diamond shape one. I'm going to actually resize this quite a copy and paste this first. Let's put that in there, and I'm just going to again lock this in place. It's a little bit tricky if I'm being honest here, especially because it gets resized quite a bit. My gosh, can this image cooperate with me, please? Like, okay, and you know what? That's as close as I'm going to get. And you're just going to basically like remove this. And again, you want this to be a little bit more seamless than I am right now. But I'm just going to add like a background here. And you can add like another outline, so like diamond outline or like neon maybe. Oops, don't do it in elements, in frames. And I'm just going to add this here and move it back. Let's go to layers, hold on. Place it here. Ta-da! And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!